Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. Had a wonderful customer who had a question. He said, should I take off one of the terminals to see if this alternator works? I advised him to not do that. I'm glad he did not do that. The reason why I advised him not to do that is because the battery runs off the ground, and the computers, all the computers run off the ground. Back in the 80s, 82 and below, where there was no computers, you can get away with that. But the moment you take these cables off, you're risking damaging the body control computer, the ECM, PCM, TCM, and any other computers they got in there. You do not ever want to do that. Always, I repeat, always have it tested properly. Like I got a multimeter, and the question was the alternator putting out? And we can all see the alternator is not putting out nothing. This battery's running off itself. On the battery, it has a 120. It has a reserve time. Any batteries that says RC, that is reserve time. I'm trying to get it in focus. 120 reserve capacity. So they are running off their battery right now. They need a new alternator. So just get yourself a multimeter. Put it on this right here, on this symbol right here. That is a DC. This is alternate current. You want DC, turn it to 20. You're not going above 20. If you're going above 20, something's wrong with your car. And you just put the positive on the positive, red on red, black on black. Either it is putting out or it's not putting out. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.